And Calvo returns for JV Marcelino. Demusis is back on the bench. Pinalitan siya ni Wilson. Marcelino, basket plus the foul.
He's just too lightning quick para dito kay William Bing. Check out what happened here. A little DHO galing kay Robbie Celis. And then the burst of speed galing kay JC Marcelino left William Bing in the dust.
Here's the thing. You think you're there?
No.
But you're not.
And now you see me, now you don't.
12-point advantage for the Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards. Minute and 54 remaining. We'll be right back. Sazon with a big bounce-back game tonight. Had 4 points against Mindoro. 19 points tonight. But itong Bataan Risers down at the moment by 12 with a minute and 54 remaining.
Oh, he's managed to get them to within striking distance a lot of times in this game. It's just that costly turnovers have really hurt the cause of Bataan sa laro na to. And just timely baskets as well from big-time players for Nueva Ecija.
Sazon misses. Rebound ends up with Wilson and it's off to JP Calvo.
Yeah, and I love how JP Calvo just slowed things down, did not try, it still forced the transition opportunity. It's just game management from here on out for Nueva Ecija, avoiding what could be a miracle for Bataan in this game.
JP Calvo steady tonight, and pretty much yun yung kailangan sa kanya dito, for Nueva Ecija. Already a loaded team when he came in. Yun ang that's the thing about really strong teams. So how when you beef up, when you acquire new players, question mark lagi yan, will they alter the landscape in the team, or will they just fit in like a glove?
You're right, and that all boils down to how management and the coaching staff really are able to address and really define yung kanilang mga roles sa team nila. That's very important. It all starts there. And it's up to the players if they're gonna...
Especially with a winning team.
You're right, exactly.
Yeah, look at this block from Captain Robbie.
Everybody just tries to lead by example. What I mean by that is everybody is trying to be at their best all the time.
Yeah, Gabi, ibang klase yung professionalism dito.
The pursuit of excellence is incredible for a team like Nueva Ecija.
Oh, it's Bataan basketball.
And of course, that standard was started by their team owner, Sir Bong Cuevas, and the entire Cuevas family.
For sure. Boss Bong. Papahinga siguro si Boss Bong ngayon, kaya hindi siya nanood dito sa game natin.
Yeah, actually, one of the few times na hindi sila nanood.
Yeah, he was, last time I saw him was in the Abra game. 92-78. Looks like Rice Vanguards have done enough here to pick up win number 19 this season. They still have 9 games remaining. And we have a couple of months left in our regular season. Calvo gets it to go. Javier. The door is shut. Javier fires. Rebound Macaloni, and this will pretty much do it. The Rice Vanguards have bounced back from that loss to Abra, picking up win number 19 for the season. It's a 94-78 victory over the Bataan Risers. Risers holding on to that number 10 spot, but they are now equal with Quezon City in terms of the number of losses. Final score 94-78, Nueva Ecija over Bataan.